The Thule Motion XT Rooftop Cargo Box is the perfect solution for travelers who need extra storage without sacrificing style or convenience. With 16 cubic feet of space, it's ideal for everything from skis and snowboards to luggage and camping gear. Its quick mount system clicks securely into place, ensuring a hassle-free installation. For the best price, check the link in the description below or scan the QR code at the end of this video. The dual-side opening provides quick and easy access to your gear, while the aerodynamic design minimizes drag and noise for a smoother drive. Built with durable materials, the Thule Motion XT is weatherproof and designed to protect your belongings in any condition. Whether for a family vacation or a weekend getaway, this cargo box is built to make your travels more comfortable and organized.